Hi everyone, it's Lorna here coming to you from Southwark Children and Family Centres. I hope you're well and keeping very safe. Now, today we've got an arts and craft for you today and it's coming from Aljona, okay? And I think she's doing some bees. Buzz, 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 buzz. So have a look and join along, okay? Take care. Bye.
Hello boys and girls, my name is Aljona and today I'm going to show you how to make your own bee. Look at this, smiley bee. Here we go. So what we need black piece of paper and yellow piece of paper, glue stick, if you don't have one you can use PVA, scissors, pencil and black felting pen. So we're gonna pick yellow paper because we're going to do bee body. So bee body look like rectangle but with rounded edges. So let's start to draw the body. I'm going to draw my one and then I'll show your one. I'll show you my one and then you can draw your one. It should be like that. Yeah? So when you've done your one, let's pick scissors and we're going to cut out the body. Here we go. If you can do it, if you need little help, you ask your grown-ups to help you. Here we go. Here is my one. Have you done your one? Good. So now the bee got two wings. So our wings we're going to draw with love heart shape. Let's do it. So nice heart. One. And let's draw another one. Don't worry if they're not perfect, it's fine. Yeah? So I've done my one like that. You can cut your one, but I cut my one already before. So it should look like this. Yes? Nice. So now we're going to pick out the black piece of paper and we're going to cut out thin line for our bee antenna. Let's cut it. Just straight line. Yeah? Here we go. So then we have it. And I think this is too long, we can have it again. So, here we go. Now it's time for sticking. So let's pick up our glue stick. And we're going to stick the wings to the body. Let's put the glue. Glue it properly. It could stick. And go to the body. One wing is done. Let's put another one. Yeah? Here we go. Look, it should look like this. Nice. Have you done your one? Good. And the time for antenna. Here we go. Let's stick it. One. And then another one. Glue, glue, glue. Oh, these look lovely. Can you see something missing? Yes, it's Smiley Face. Let's pick up our felting pen and let's do the eyes. We've got two nice eyes. It's like oval. Yeah, and coloring them inside. Yeah. I'll show you in a minute how it should look like. Like this. And now it's time for the smile. Let's do very nice smiley face. Here we go. So the left is stripes. Let's do a little bit here at the bottom. 3 stripes. 1, 2, and 3. Here we go, children. Your bee should look like this. You enjoy. Bye.